Oh, here we go.
More work. Ready to work. Job's done.
Some silly ass shit. Alright, go get him, Archmage.
What? All right. Yes, me lord.
More gold is required. More gold is required. More gold is
Ready
required.
to
More
work.
farms.
What is it?
Look, if this guy's halfway decent, this has already failed. Just
More
letting you
work.
know.
Yes, me lord. What is it?
More lumber
Off
is
I go
required.
then. Righto.
Build more farms.
More work. Job's done.
It's about the meme. It's about sending a
What is
message.
More lumber
Off I
is
go then.
required.
1 out of
This had
30
better be
times.
worth-
Ready to work.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna save our skill point.
What?
Yeah, if we lose, we get more
Alright.
new power people so that we
Off I
can
go
practice our
then.
fast expand. He's probably like, what the
What
fuck
is it?
was that?
Ready to
Oh, he's probably really confused right now.
You require my assistance?
Get him, Archmage. I wonder if he even saw it.
Fine.
Do it!
Whatever.
Get the Blizzard! Get him!
Get on with
Job's done.
it. Perfect.
Shit, see, look at this. Okay, no, we're disrupting his wood.
More work.
We're disrupting his wood.
What is it now?
We're fine.
Build more farms.
Okay,
Well?
so look, he's militia creeping. Look at him.
Job's done.
Now we do the Blizzard again. Oh! 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 Oh, we're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it.
Whatever.
Oh, no, you know what we can do? We can Blizzard him when he's doing the creeps. Oh, wait, we're gonna take it. Oh, we're doing it, we're doing it.
We wait. Perfect. Fine. Get on with it. I can hardly wait. To battle.
Oh, you try to deny that.
What is it?
Forces are
Dude,
under
we're
attack.
actually, we actually have a massive economy, like
Whatever.
advantage here. I just wish we had another Blizzard.
Whatever.
If we had one more Blizzard, we'd be
what?
fine.
What is it now? I can hardly wait.
Yes, ready to work. All right.
Well,
Ready
We
for
might be able to pick off like a peasant.
perfect.
Maybe we could pick off this peasant right here.
Glory. Whatever. Fine. Perfect. Fine.
We're gonna lose this Archmage. I don't want to give him the experience. Because he'll turn level
Require
2.
my assistance?
Ready for action.
Holy
Well,
shit, we have 3 footmen? We could just send those guys
Build
in.
more farms.
Dude, we can
Yes,
literally
my
just send these guys in and kill more
my
Get
peasants.
on with it.
More work. Yes, me lord.
Well,
What?
what is it now?
I didn't even
the
know we
word.
had these.
Job's done.
Right.
Well,
Yes, me lord.
what is it
What
now?
is it? Job's done.
Fine. Well, whatever.
Alright, we're going back.
Orders. On my way.
Go, 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 footmen.
Yes, my
What do we
liege.
got here? Oh,
Right.
look at those juicy,
On my way. Say the
juicy
word.
peasants, dude.
Giddy. Orders.
Mm,
Right.
get
You
them,
require my assistance?
Yes, my liege.
get them.
Say the word. Of course. Attack! You need. Right.
Well,
Yes, my liege.
what is it now?
Say the word.
Alright, we're okay. We
Yes,
don't
my
need to
liege.
press the
Under
issue anymore.
attack.
You require my assistance?
Yes, me lord.
Say
What
the
is it
word.
now?
We're teching the
What
tier
is
2.
it? Off I
Was
go
he teching
then.
the tier
Require
2?
my
No,
assistance?
he's not.
Fine. Whatever.
Massive economy damage.
Well, you require my assistance?
We have a lot of blizzards in us.
Perfect.
You know, we can blizzard
is it
whatever the
now?
fuck we want.
I can hardly
Wait, hold on, I have an idea. Do I buy the shredder?
Well,
Do I buy the shredder?
Our town
you
is
require
under
my
siege.
assistance?
Okay, we actually didn't buy an arcane tower, which is a huge
Job
shame.
done.
Okay, we're gonna need a shredder to defend our base.
Well, I can hardly wait.
Orders.
We have the militia to deal with this, I think.
Look,
And also, we're gonna get a second hero soon. Uh-oh,
Oh,
here we go.
word. All right. What is it?
Run
Right
away,
then.
buddies.
well,
Okay, we need this fucking
Say the word.
Archmage, or this,
Yes, my lord.
oh my
All
god.
right. What is it? Right. What?
We need to get him out.
you
We
require
need a
my
fucking alchemist.
Agreed.
Alchemist!
Our town
Ready
is
to
under
Go,
siege.
go, go!
What do you need?
We have the shredder too.
What is it?
Well,
What? Yes,
Say
my
the
lord.
word.
get on. I'll stop.
Orders.
To go.
On my
What
way.
is it? All
Get for
right.
a cocktail. Require my assistance?
No, we just need to wait. We need to wait out those elementals because that's a lot.
What is it ready to go?
That's a lot. Okay, we're okay.
Well, wanna blow
We're
something up?
we're nomads.
All stocked and ready.
We're nomads. We're gonna train peasants to mine while we're gone.
What?
We're nomads,
I'll get
okay?
that mixed up. What is it now?
Our town is under siege.
Get for a cocktail.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this.
Well,
Yes, aye, my lord.
get for a cocktail.
All right, the shredder on the Archmage.
Stocked and ready to go. Wanna
Get
blow
'em.
something up? Get on.
Orders.
What is it? You
Get
love
him!
the rest.
Oh my god, we can actually
Don't
fucking
rush
kill him.
me. Well,
The shredder is getting so much value, dude.
What is it? Yes, my lord.
what is it now?
Our forces
Well.
are under attack.
I can hardly wait.
Get him, shredder.
Get on. Wanna blow
We're
something
okay.
up?
You know what we do? We go to his base, and we just blizzard him again.
You love my recipe.
What? Righto. What is it? What? More work?
We didn't
What
lose
is
that
it?
much.
All right. Yes, me
All
lord.
right, we're okay.
What?
This is where we build
What
2
is it?
sanctums.
More work?
You require
Oh, he's
my
back.
assistance?
He's back to. That has so many footmen. Do you
Our
see how many
forces are
footmen
under
he
attack.
has?
Whatever.
Do you see that?
Perfect.
I have to.
Fine.
There's no way he doesn't see me right now.
Fine.
All right,
I can hardly wait.
look, we're
Wanna
okay.
blow something
Yes,
up?
We're actually gonna
Lord.
need a
More
vault.
work? Off I
We
go
need a
then.
vault so
All
bad.
right. What is it?
What is it now? Perfect.
The fucking shredder MVP. Once we get like some sorks, we'll be fine, man. We'll be
Oh,
so
word.
fine.
What? Off I go
You
then.
love my
Work.
recipe. What is it now? Care for a cocktail? Fine. I'll shake that right up.
Job's
You
done.
require my assistance? I'm all stocked and ready to go. What is it? Care for a cocktail? You require my assistance?
More work? What? Ready to work? What? Yes, me lord. Off I go
Well,
then.
wanna blow something up? You require my assistance?
All right.
Whatever.
Job's done. Job's done.
Get on with it. Care for a cocktail?
Okay. Sorks. There we go.
Yes, me
Uh
lord.
oh.
Job's done.
He's back. That is so many footmen. Get him, shredder.
You'll love my new
Get 'em.
recipe. What is it?
You need. On my way.
You require? Wanna blow something up?
Get him.
Care for a cocktail?
Oh, it's a surround. It's okay. Sacrifice the alchemist to do 1,000,000 damage to the footmen.
You require my
What is it?
Our hero has fallen.
The sacrifice was not in
Do you
vain.
require a human?
It was not in vain, my friend.
Well? Perfect.
This better be good.
You require my assistance?
It was not in vain.
What? All right. What is it?
What is it? You require my assistance?
Get down, Sparky.
Get on.
Alright, let's
This
get.
better be good.
Holy shit, this shredder
What is it
Help
now?
me. Help
is so much value.
I come.
me.
Ready to brew.
Alright, our alchemist is back.
You'll love my
Get
new
down,
recipe.
Sparky.
What is it now?
It is back.
I'll start and ready to go. Well?
We're gonna get level 3 blizzard.
Get on. Care for a cocktail? Don't rush me. You require my assistance?
Oh,
Wanna
2
blow
blizzard,
something up?
I meant to say.
What? Off I go then.
Well, you love the recipe.
Oh, hell yeah.
Care for a cocktail?
I don't know what to get. Chemical
Well?
Rage, why not?
Whatever.
Help me, help you.
You require my assistance?
I come to
Kick
cleanse
down,
this
Sparky.
land.
Alright, get some
Well,
breakers.
What ails
What
you?
is it?
What'll it be?
Wanna
You
blow
know,
something
let's
up?
just go attack
Well?
them.
Research complete. More work. Right.
Get on with it. Perfect.
Help me, help you.
What
Oh,
is it now?
God, there's so many
This
footmen to
better
kill.
be good.
There's so many footmen. I have invis.
Fine.
Oh, he wants to build one of those, huh? Check
Perfect.
this out.
I'm all stopped. Well, get on. Wanna blow something up? You require my assistance?
Do you require
Care for a cocktail?
Uh-oh.
You require
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wanna blow something up? I'll shake that right up. Well,
Hee hee. Hee hee.
What a good idea.
Yes, me lord.
Quick, time is mana.
wanna blow
Ooh, buddy.
something up?
Uh-oh.
Thirst for magic.
Oh, the invis. The invis. The shredder, no. The shredder.
Your love.
Help me, help you.
Do you see me do that?
Kick down,
Do you see
Sparky.
me do that?
Care for a cocktail? To battle.
Do you require a...
Wanna blow something up?
Check this out. Oh no.
What is it now? Get on.
We did it.
Stocked.
We triumphed.
You require my assistance?
The invis.
Good.
Get on.
What is it? Off I go then. All right. Off I
did it.
go
What is it
then.
now?
Yes,
The
me lord.
peons.
What
Oh, look
is
at all
it?
those peons. Let's go one of these. For good old time's sake. Ooh.
Your love.
Look.
What is it now?
Look, can we talk?
Wanna blow something up?
Okay, do you want to know why
Your
we won
love,
that
my
game?
new recipe.
I'm gonna tell
You
you why
got
we
it.
won that game. This guy right here. Me buying this on a whim won us that game. Okay, look at that, 34 to 61 damage. Okay. I want to show you why we won that game. Look at that. Look at that money disparity. I want to show you funny meme game.